We'll guide you through how to make echo sound effect in DaVinci Resolve. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch DaVinci Resolve and waiting for the application to load completely. Next, open a new project so you have a clean workspace for your audio editing task. Once the project is ready, go to the Edit page to start editing and prepare your timeline. Import your audio into the media pool by selecting the file from your computer or dragging it directly into the panel. After the audio has been imported successfully, drag the audio onto the timeline so it is ready for editing. Find the section where you want to apply the echo effect. Then cut that portion from the rest of the audio. After making the cut, trim the left and right sides of the selected section to isolate the exact part that should receive the effect. Move the trimmed audio clip to a lower audio track on the timeline to keep your edits organized and easier to manage. Once the clip is in place, open the Effects panel to access the available editing tools. From there, go to the Audio Effects category, where you'll find several audio effects that can improve your sound. Select the echo effect from the list, then drag the echo effect directly onto the audio clip that you prepared earlier. After applying the effect, adjust the effects settings to match your desired result by changing values such as delay, feedback, or mix until the sound fits your project. When you're satisfied with the settings, preview the audio by playing it back from the timeline and listen carefully to ensure the echo sounds smooth and natural. Make any necessary adjustments if the effect is too strong or too weak. Then continue previewing until you achieve the result you want. Finally, export the finished audio using your preferred export settings. Choose a suitable file format and save location.